Hey yo, I like why this. 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 I like.
You just find it like, hey, he cheated, and this guy been taking care of the bills. He's been mentally, in every way, shape, or form. He's been a good, solid man in the house.
Yeah.
Are you leaving that guy if he cheated?
Absolutely not. I'm not going.
Okay.
I'm not going to leave him. I'm not going to leave him. But I'm gonna go have my fun too.
So you're gonna cheat?
No, so you're gonna cheat? No. Are you gonna cheat? Yes or no?
Okay.
No, I'm trying to get somewhere here.
Because
yes or no? Are you gonna cheat?
Here's the thing. Naturally, for me, from the emotional side, from like, I know this man and I know he's capable of, and he's like has a proven track record. That part of me is gonna be like, hell no, I'm not gonna cheat. I wanna make sure this works.
Right.
But the other side, the analytical side, like, where do we go wrong to the point that you couldn't even come to me and let me know that, hey, I'm lacking something, and I think that you should supply it.
Okay, so this is what I'm saying, right? You guys don't want to hear the truth.
Exactly.
It goes back to that, right? So you guys don't want to hear the truth.
What's the truth, though?
So the truth is, let's say, right? Let's say we're not having sex enough.
Okay.
You're not into me like you used to.
Right.
You're not doing the things you used to
I
do.
need you to do.
I need for you to know yourself beforehand and communicate that.
No.
to me.
I know myself.
So what happens when I
hold
tell you?
Hold on.
I would rather you tell me that from beginning. So at least I know in the relationship. I'm one of those women. I'm very rare. I'm honest. I know how men's nature, works in a certain way.
You're running from what?
Go ahead.
The problem
No,
is.
I'm not running.
Yes, you
I'm
are.
not running.
This is the problem. The problem is
Facing it head
that
on.
you guys don't want to hear the truth, right? And the thing is that when a guy finally find a woman, right, that he's happy with and comfortable with, right, and he's like, you know what? I finally decided to marry this woman.
Okay.
I'm gonna settle down.
Okay.
When that guy made up his mind to marry you, right? He's marrying you because of everything that was happening within the friendship, the relationship, the engagement, right? Because everything was nice and spicy. You wasn't arguing. You wasn't calling him every 5 seconds. Where are you? All of a sudden.
So you telling me that's causing a cheat?
No. I'm getting there.
Okay.
I'm getting there.
Okay.
Right. So those things wasn't happening. So sex was there. The attention was there. You was stroking my ego. The understanding was there. Then we get married. And then
shit gets boring. It
gets boring, right?
It gets boring. Because most men that I know that are married, they all say that. It gets boring.
It gets boring.
Why did you marry a boring person?
Hold on. Like I said, you
she
wasn't boring.
She wasn't boring.
When we started out,
wasn't boring.
When we started out, we was having sex everywhere. We're in the car. We're in the park.
No matter what I want, I got it.
We could be chilling here right now. We're like, listen, girl, you just give her that look, or she give you that look.
Like, we ready to go.
So what changed? God, I'm sorry.
Yeah. It's okay. You getting nervous? I understand.
No, I'm not getting
nervous.
Cut it out.
So
I'm trying to put my freaking phone on a damn makeshift.
we gotta get you a mount.
I need it. Yeah.
Yeah, a phone mount, right?
Yeah.
I was just telling him that I wound up getting on Instagram after 6 months, so I'm just trying to.
It's all good.
Yeah.
So
like, what's the shift between meeting a woman, knowing that you want to marry her, then you married her, and things just slowly decline after that?
Because that woman get comfortable. That woman was a woman.
What's comfortable?
Comfortable is basically a woman she finally got what she wanted. Because the thing is, women don't marry men because they love them. They marry them because of status. You understand? They want to say, I'm a married woman. They want to show off that ring, right? They want to have that status, right? So when you finally get that thing that you're chasing for, and that sense of security, then it's like you're comfortable. So you're not doing the same things you used to do anymore. And then this guy is sitting here like, you know what? I love her. We have these kids. I don't want to cheat. All of a sudden, this guy is backed up 2 weeks now.
Yeah.
Right? Now, he don't know how to approach you.
Because you're gonna be like, that's all you think about.
You don't know how to approach you because you know what? He's running.
So,
let me just make a point, right?
Yeah.
Let me just finish, right?
Yes.
Now he don't know how to approach you because it's like before he was so used to just from the time he's in bed with you, and he kisses you on your neck, you're like, oh my God, babe. And then you turn around, you grab your shit, you turn around right away,
ready to go,
legs over me and everything, and then it's like, then now I'm kissing you like.
Yeah, I'm tired.
And you push.
I gotta go to work.
Now this guy, right now he's like, at first.
Does she have to go to
work? No.
Let
me hold on. We're not gonna make any excuse. Hold on. I'm gonna cover all the grounds. Don't worry. So now I'm laying in bed now, and I'm like, maybe she's tired. Then 2 weeks later, same thing.
2 weeks is too long.
Then 2-3 years go by, and I'm going through the same thing. Now I'm like, you know what? I'm at work now, and I'm seeing this other chick that is into me.
Yeah.
And I'm like, you know what? I don't want to leave.
Fuck it, I'm going for the hunt.
No, you're not saying that. No. Any good man is not saying that.
Nah.
Any good man is saying this. Like, shit, this girl come around. He's like, he start feeling some type of way.
She making me feel good.
And he's like, shit. And he's like, nah, I got a wife.
Yeah.
And then it's like he go home, hoping things will change. And then he go home, and then it's like
same
thing. And now he's like, this girl is like playing on him and whatever. He's like, yo, shit.
Yeah.
Maybe I could just. Have her in the side,
right,
and get some, and then I can just go home and I can be all right,
right.
You know what I mean? Because men don't fall in love with sex like that, right? We have to love the person, right? So we can have sex with that person, but we don't love that girl,
no type of way.
But we just men that have responsibility and have some sense of understanding, like, hey, my kids and my wife need me. He's gonna go have his sex
and then come back
home, and then guess what? Now his feelings start to change. The affection that he's used to give you
to the wife is going to the girl.
Going to the girlfriend.
Yes.
Right now he's coming home. Now he's so upset.
I don't want to be home.
Every time he's upset now.
I'm going there.
You are uncomfortable.
My question for most of many men: why and when do you address that? Like, why does it get to that point?
I'm about to tell you that right now.
You are listening to Livewire Radio 95.7 FM and livewireradio.com.